I just went to the hobby store and bought the Dromida Omnis. I guess is how you say it. Just bought it. I've opened it up, put the batteries in the controller, because that's I haven't flown it yet. I'm just going to unbox it and see and tell you guys what I think about the boxing and fly it a little bit later and see how it does. When you open it up, there it is. It's sitting right there. It's first thing you see when you open this thing. It's just bam right there. This plastic slides right off, and there is the actual quadcopter, and it is nice and big. I like it. Can't wait to fly it. Set that to the side right here. The LiPo's already in it, so they keep it in there. And then here's the controller, 2.4 gigahertz controller. It feels really nice. It feels really nice. Then you got extra props and screws, and your little tiny USB charger, your LiPo charger, right here. So that's all that's in there.